In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize Notion dividers using Canva. This quick tutorial is perfect for anyone looking to add a personal touch to their Notion templates, creating a visually appealing way to organize your digital space. Let's dive right in and start with the first step. To begin, you'll need to log into your Canva account. If you don't have one, signing up is straightforward and free. Once you're logged in, look for the Create a Design button. It's usually a big, bright button, hard to miss, giving you that creative kickstart right away. Next, we need to choose Custom Size. Now, why custom size, you ask? Well, it allows you to tailor your design specifically for Notion's layout. A commonly recommended size for a full-width horizontal divider is 1500 pixels wide by 50 pixels high. This gives you a nice, slim design that fits neatly between your content. Once you have your blank canvas set up, it's time to let your creativity flow. Canva has a wonderfully extensive library of tools, including elements, text, and backgrounds. These tools let you craft a divider that perfectly suits your style. Consider playing around with a range of elements, perhaps a solid color for a minimalist look, or a pattern to add some flair. You might even use a line of repeating icons, or opt for a more artistic feel with a subtle watercolor background. It's all about what speaks to your personal aesthetic and what complements your Notion page. As you work on your design, ensure everything is stretched across the width of your custom canvas so that it serves its purpose as a full divider. This step is crucial in making sure the design fits seamlessly in Notion without leaving awkward white spaces. When you're happy with your creation, click on the Share button located in the top right corner of Canva's interface. Then select Download. Be sure to save it in a format that Notion supports, like a PNG or JPEG, for best results. Now it's time to integrate this custom creation into your Notion page. Head over to the specific page where you want to add the divider. Use the plus icon to add a new block or type image and hit Enter. Then, choose Upload to select the file you just downloaded from Canva. Once uploaded, the image will appear directly on your page. Finally, click on the image block, and with a simple drag on the resizing handles, adjust its width and height to fit your layout. Once it looks just right, drag your divider into its final position between different sections of your content. Voila! Your Notion page now has a personalized touch that reflects both your style and organizational needs. Enjoy the refreshed look of your workspace.